Hi, friends. We are going to review right now our numbers from 1 to 5. So I know that we kind of worked on that a little bit last week as well, and we practiced saying them. And so right now I'm going to write the numbers, and I want you to say the numbers when I write them so that you can remember what they are. Okay, so the first number, if we're going to count up to 5, we always start out with, well, there's a 0 there first, okay? And so we know that if we have a 0, we write it like a circle, and it means we have none. So if I have 0 pieces of bubble gum, I don't have any bubble gum, right? Okay, so now we're going to write the next letter. So the next letter that comes after 0 is 1. We just write it like a stick, right? And if I have 1 piece of bubble gum, I have 1 piece of bubble gum, right? Only 1. All right. So the next number is 0, 1, 2. You're right, the number 2. And so the number 2, I know that if I have 2 lollipops, I have 2. 1, 2, right? Okay. Next number is 3. Somebody said 3, and they're right. The number's 3. Okay, so we have 0, 1, 2, 3. What comes next? 4. 4 comes next. And then after 4, we have 5. Okay, so those are our numbers from 0 all the way up to 5. Okay, so if we're going to count, let's start counting with 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, so let's practice writing our numbers one more time. Okay, ready? If I'm going to write a 0, how do I do it? If I'm going to write a 0, a big round circle. Go ahead and write it up in the air with me. Ready? 0. All right, we're going to write it on here. Big 0. Okay, if I'm going to write a number 1, how do I do it? Start at the top, straight down to the stick, right? Just like that, number 1. If I'm going to write a 2, right? Big curve down around and boom, a line across. Okay, a big curve down around, line across. Okay, if I'm going to write a 3, it's like 2 bumps. Bump, bump. So I'm ready